In this video, Graham takes his car showcase literally and turns this photo shoot into a real-life application of his motto, go faster.
I don't know the donut, but there's not enough room there. Yeah, bonnet looks a bit funny because the bonnet pin's not in. These are my main three cars. The P6, classic car, very nice rumpy V8. My everyday car, 212 horsepower 1 Series BMW. Pretty quick, handles well. And this, well, this is where it really gets fun. 900 kilos, rear wheel drive, 285 horsepower. Drugs on wheels. BMW M20, originally an M20 2.5. Been bored, 1mm oversize, M52 crank, 84mm stroke. Now displaces 2,860cc. Shrek 300 degree camshaft, 45mm Gemby throttle bodies, tubular 6-branch manifold, adds up to 285 horsepower. I don't know the donut, but there's not enough room there. Yeah.
Let's see how well the recording goes.
Car is about racing. It's about 100 mile an hour into a corner. You're there, there's another car there, and there's no one there. You're four abreast, inches apart, 100 mile an hour. That's what that car's about.